You are watching and listening the YouTube channel Happy Home Trends. Here I would like to meet everyone digitally and hoping you all are in good health. May my Allah keep you in good health and wealth. I'm here to share different hairstyles for different personalities, as hairstyle can contribute to initial impressions. It is just one aspect of person's overall identity. Plus, a person's hairstyle can have an impact on their overall appearance. I request you all, please keep supporting me by pressing the subscribe icon and show your love to me. Moreover, I would like to say your choice of hairstyle can be a form of self expression. A well groomed and stylish hairstyle can boost your confidence. A neat and polished hairstyle is often associated with professionalism. So please, I suggest you to choose hairstyle and haircut wisely. Thank you.